see.
Please, dog. They're gonna
Right
put
now,
my kids in DCF, dude. I got 3 beautiful daughters, dog. They're gonna end up on Epstein Island, bro.
Take a seat.
Dog,
okay,
that's
Rich?
not right, Steph.
Rich,
That's not
take a
right,
seat,
bro.
okay?
On December 29, 2025, deputies with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office responded to a disturbance at a bar in Tavernier, Florida. According to reports, 2 adults arrived at the location appearing heavily intoxicated while caring for 3 young children. Witnesses say the situation quickly escalated as bystanders attempted to prevent them from leaving, fearing for the children's safety.
Hey, how you doing, sir? How you doing? How are you?
You are?
Excellent.
Hey, ma'am. Well, we're not gonna do that, okay?
I just asked you, who are you?
I'm Deputy McIntyre with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office, okay? How you doing? How you doing, sir?
I'm great. She's a man excuse.
I want to go home, Richard.
Just shut the f up and follow the road.
All right, hey, boss. So what's going on? What happened tonight?
I'm great. Following my kids out the bar. Some concerned patriot thought I was over-tolerated after 2 drinks. I walked my kids out. He thought he was great. He was going to put his hands on me. And I told him, listen, don't do that. I don't think that's wise. He put his hands on me, and I pushed him off of me to repel me and my family. And that's all that happens.
Okay. All right. And who's the individual?
It's not the guy with the black shirt. It's not his friend. It's some gentleman who has some shit to go on.
Okay.
I don't know. He told me, hey, listen,
Would you be able to identify him?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Where you guys living at right
kids.
now? Yeah, where you guys living at right now?
Right here on the other side.
Are you guys locals here?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
We're locals.
Just wanted to make sure.
3 kids.
Okay.
Somebody came out the bar with a concern. I said, no problem. I listened to his concern. His buddy got vocal and physical, pushed him out the way and had some. I was like, listen, bro, this is not what you want.
I get you.
So his buddy, I don't know. I talked to him. We had a great relationship. I talked to his father-in-law. He had a great relationship. No problem. This guy got mouthy.
Okay.
He just would not let shit go.
Okay.
He said, bro, listen, you see these 2 cars? That's my concern. I'll control them.
I get you.
No concern. This guy got physical mouthy on me. Look.
Yeah, I see. You need medical attention?
No.
You sure? You're bleeding out the mouth. Let me see.
I just need him to not put his hands on me no more.
Okay.
That's it. I'm with my daughters, dude.
So what do you mean by over tolerant? Like what do you mean by that?
I don't understand.
What escalated the situation? Was it you talking or you talking with your wife or what?
We left the bar. We left the bar with me and my girl. We're driving the cars. Look, you see how I'm driving?
I get you.
Look. We're driving the cars. The gentleman.
Hey, just do me a favor. Just try to keep them off the road, okay? I don't want a car.
Off the road, baby.
Yeah.
Listen. Can you listen? I'm gonna do it. Can you take them off the road?
Yeah. We're gonna get out of here shortly, okay?
Gentleman didn't want to hear me doing this.
Okay.
He didn't want me to do that.
So where were you guys attending? Were you guys at the bar?
Yeah, at the bar. We left the bar. Like me and my wife concluded, hey, we had enough for the night. It's time to leave.
Okay.
The gentleman in the black shirt ran up to us and said, hey, listen, our concern is you've had 2 beers.
I get you. Okay.
I said, listen, I let my daughters run all over the bar. You guys know my daughters. You grabbed her off of her here. I just want my daughters not to be all over the place.
He kept coming towards him, bro.
Okay. Baby, please attend me, baby.
I'm leaving.
I know, but that's all I'm asking you. Pretty, please.
Okay.
The girls, I got them.
So was your wife involved in anything?
Sure, she was walking.
Did anybody hit her? Any females hit her?
Nobody touched her.
Nobody did?
This is the most peaceful. Like, listen, if you talk to the gentleman right here.
Okay, so who hit you in your mouth? What caused that to happen?
Honestly, I don't know because I was talking to the gentleman and I guess you can say his grandfather. I was agreeing with him. But the gentleman who was next to him was just on some, oh no. Okay.
Let's go help her real quick. Let me help. Let me help you. I'm just gonna move this.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're all good.
Yeah.
It's okay, Mama. Don't cry. Don't cry, Mama.
All right.
Yeah, let's just move her right here. Let's just move her right here.
Let's go. Babe, watch out.
Oops. Let's move her off the road, okay? It's okay, Mama, okay? All right.
Make sure they're okay over there.
They're okay.
All right.
Alrighty. Do you have any ID on you or anything?
I don't, but I mean,
Oh, we just need to document the situation. That's all we need to do.
I came.
All right, I'll get your name and date of birth. It's not a problem at all.
All day.
Okay.
Provided for you.
4120.
I just listen. If we can.
Where you guys staying at right now, so that we can get the kids home?
Yeah.
You guys live on a boat?
Okay. Cannot find the meal.
If you like, I would be glad to point out to you who started it and how this shit even got ready.
Yes,
Because there's
that
two
was an
gentlemen over there
angry
that
Kia.
were peaceful.
We live on the other side where it's coconut
The guy's like, hey, listen,
It's
bro,
like
this
there's
is.
a ramp so you could put your boats in.
Okay.
That's where we
Listen,
live.
I didn't expect to get punched in my shit. I got 3 kids. Look, we got remote controls. Look, everything is related around them. So for me to get punched in my shit is like, damn, dude. I was negotiating with this dude. I was negotiating with this dude, and they get punched on the.
I'm gonna bring you here.
Yeah, I don't want her to fall off.
Shit on a third-person view. That's crazy, dude. Like I'm agreeing with this guy. I'm agreeing with this guy, and this guy's just talking out his ass, bro.
Babe, she doesn't like this shit.
You gotta warm her up or like put a blanket on her or something.
No, I'm gonna pick her up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick her up, babe.
The thing is,
Okay, so we're gonna need you guys to hang out real quick. Okay. If you could follow me to my car.
You're on one.
Okay.
I would like to point out to you who I had a problem with. I didn't have no problem. I was agreeing with everybody. This guy asked me to leave the bar. That's why we left the bar.
Is this gentleman in the green shirt?
This gentleman in the green shirt is the one who had a problem.
All right, we'll walk over to my car.
He's the one who created all the problems. I left because of the gentleman in the black shirt. He said, hey, we don't allow the power cars. No pressure, sir. We're going to leave right now. This guy came out here on some teeter-totter beater-bar shit. Grabbed me by my shirt.
Would you be
caught
willing?
my lip. No,
So-
I don't want to create nobody a problem. No, I don't want to do nothing. I just want to get back to my family.
Okay. I get you. So hear me out. So if we're able to determine that the crime occurred, you did get punched in the mouth. Okay, I didn't speak to the other individual yet, but I'm speaking to you, so I just want to pretty much lay this out. Are you willing to press charges?
No, I don't want to press charges.
So you don't want to press charges?
But obviously, if someone presses charges against me,
I get you.
it's like, come on,
Okay,
dude.
I get you. I totally understand that. Not a problem at all. Okay. Do you know a read?
What do you mean?
I'm gonna speak with them real quick. I just need a read.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry to bother. All right. You a read?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Didn't get to speak to you. I know you pretty much reiterated everything already. So just tell me a little bit about what happened tonight.
So we're here.
Okay.
He and his wife are here. They brought their kids in, and they have these remote control cars, right? Now they're bouncing into shit, and they're drinking the whole time. So she was over here. She was drinking to the fact where she was like, "Beers this way."
Gotcha.
Okay. And he was over there talking to somebody else. Take a statement if you want. Yeah, we're doing that. Yeah, okay. Cool. But it was a bad situation. So they were really drinking, and they're driving their kids around banging and shit. I don't have any kids. They don't have any kids. But we're looking at them like, that's not cool. Like, these are young kids. They have no idea what's going on. So he's over there, she's here, she's drinking, he's drinking over there, and these kids are just fucking banging around doing stuff. And that's not safe to me. So when they left, I'm like, where are they going to go? Are they driving? What are they doing? What's going on? So we're leaving too. We paid our tab, and we're leaving, and we're like, where are these people going? Mm-hmm. So, anyway, I don't know. It's a sad situation.
All right.
So,
and what led up to pretty much the physical altercation?
Yeah, because we said, hey, where are you going with those kids? Where are you going with these kids? Because they're literally down the street, just going left and right.
Gotcha.
With
the remote control. Yeah,
that's not safe. Would you think that was safe for your
that's
children?
not safe at all.
Right.
Yeah.
So then he got belligerent and came back at us. Me and him came back at us, and that's when it got into a problem. So he assaulted us, came back at us, put him on the ground, and then I said, well, that, I'm going to get involved too.
Gotcha.
And then I got punched a couple times in the face. I got that whole thing there. Well, good for him. He's a big fucking guy, I guess. So he did pretty good. But we're just trying to, hey,
Gotcha.
don't. The kids. It's all about the kids.
I got you. All right, so he doesn't want to press charges on you. My partner already said
On
that
me?
He didn't. Well,
I hope not.
Yeah, so he's saying he doesn't want to press charges on you, and my partner already told me you're not looking to press charges on him. So
I don't have that kind of time in my life.
yeah, so we'll move on from that. Now what we're mainly focused on is these 3 children. Okay, so pretty much we're gonna try to get the kids as safely as possible. See what we can do from there. Okay, so would you be willing to provide a statement? Pretty much what occurred tonight. Pretty much what you've seen about the kids and everything like that. Okay.
Whatever happened was here under camera. You can see it all.
Okay. So you don't want to do a written statement. You don't want to do a
I don't have that kind of time. I'm on vacation.
And that's okay. No problem.
I know how it goes.
All right. No problem at all. All
But
right.
I'll tell you what. I got punched 4 or 5 times in the face.
Okay.
I was pushed down on the ground. He was wrapped up with him. The problem is, here's the shitty part. If we want to have a good time. We don't want to stay here and deal with the bullshit that he has brought upon us. That's the kind of shitty part about it. You know what I mean? But he's the problem. That family's the problem, and his wife, because they're drunk, fucked up. The sad part is, I don't want to deal with it. But I should deal with it, but I don't want to. You know what I mean? It's kind of sad. Okay. It's sad. Well, these people here, so they're bar to their restaurant. There's cameras here. You should be able to do that on your own, like without us. You know what I mean? There's enough cameras here, and probably in the parking lot to see what happens.
All right. So like you said, all right, there are children involved. Okay.
Yes.
You guys did see things that maybe a camera didn't capture.
Oh, they saw it all.
Yeah.
I promise you,
I get you, but. Pretty much, you know, it's just about the kids, you know, pretty much.
It is about the kids. And that's the entire reason that we did that.
Yeah, so.
If you were here by yourself, right?
I get you.
And you saw somebody with their children.
Don't misquote me at all. What you did was the exact right thing to do. Okay?
Thank you.
All right?
I appreciate that.
Your concern for the safety of the children
absolutely
is exactly what I would have done as well.
We don't have any kids. None of us have any kids. None of us.
For sure.
But we know what's right.
Yeah.
Right? And that wasn't right.
Got you. And I totally agree
They were
with you.
banging their kids into furniture with these remote controls. Who does that? Nobody in the right mind does that. Unless you're so rich that you don't care about anything and you just take your kids and bang them.
Well, we know, you know, sometimes that's what alcohol does to people. So.
No, I don't think it's out. I don't know.
Sometimes.
If you have enough money where you don't care about anything, maybe that does it to where you, I don't care.
Yeah.
But it was a bad situation. And we followed them out there because we want to make sure that the kids are okay.
I got you.
And that's when we got in trouble. Right. And also, one of the cops brought them back to us.
One of the who?
One of the cops, he was down that way, and then brought him back to us.
A cop?
To us. We were a long way away, brought him back to us. And like, why are you bringing him back here? No, leave him over there. Don't bring him back here. Now we're mad again. Fuck that. Don't bring the guy that's causing the trouble back to the people that are trying to save the kids, right? Don't do that. That's a bad situation. You know what I mean?
Well, we're here now. So, you know, we're here now. We're going to mitigate the situation.
Thank you.
As we're training.
Appreciate you.
All right?
Yeah. Bad deal.
So, you don't want to submit a written statement?
No, because I don't.
Your verbal statement is totally.
I don't want to have the.
Your verbal statement is A-okay. There's nothing wrong with it, okay? I appreciate it, all right?
Well, understand. understand this. It's not because I don't want to, because I was assaulted for sure.
No hard feelings at all.
But I'm on vacation.
No hard feelings. Enjoy it. Hopefully you continue to enjoy it, all right? Hopefully you'll be able to sleep this off, all right?
For sure.
You take it easy, okay?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, no problem at all, okay?
After further investigation, Monroe County Police concluded that the parents were too intoxicated and presented a risk of child neglect.
Dog, that's my dog.
Hey, Rich.
I didn't threaten you at all.
Hey, Rich.
Steph, dude.
Hey, Rich, just come with me, all right? Your kids are good, all right?
But I'm saying, Steph, dude, what's going on, dude?
Yeah, let's just walk over to my car, all right?
Y'all do, you see how y'all play bad cop, bad good cop?
What do you mean by that, man?
Bro, I was chatting with you, dude.
I get you. Hey, listen, I just pulled up here.
Leaving.
I just pulled
How
up
am
here.
I going to jail? Bro, do you know what my kids are going to do?
Let's just walk over to the car, all right? We can talk more.
I'm going to
over
walk
there,
with you, bro.
Let's
But do you know my kids are going to get stripped from me? My kids are going to get taken from me.
But Rich, you know we got a job to do, man, and we're here
What do you mean?
We're here to investigate the situation. Okay, we got a job to do, Rich.
I'm just saying, but when you look at the surveillance camera, you saw me.
We're gonna take everything into accountability, man.
But you're not, though, because
I said we still gotta investigate the situation. We just got here, man. We only been on this call for going on an hour now, man.
You shoot a 3. I'm hoping you shoot 4. Because this ain't fair, my nigga. I left the situation, dude. I left the threat. The threat was apparent. I left it. And it's sad, dog.
Let's go.
Gentlemen.
Hey, let's go.
Did I threaten you, bro?
Let's go, bro. Hey, Rich. Rich,
Oh, okay.
let's go, Rich.
Oh, okay. You right. You right. Wow. I picked you up off the ground, but I'm wrong. Can I please cool my girl down, please, bro?
I'll get
I don't need her to get charges. Because you guys are saying I had a video. Bro, my daughter was with my kids the whole time. They went to run around on the playground, dude. That's not fair, dog. I'm gonna get hit with child neglect. You know what that is?
Let's just have a
That's
seat.
crazy, dog.
Let me grab this for you, all right?
Steph,
All right. Let me just take this out your pocket, okay?
Bro, I can't just go home, dog. You said, hey, listen, can't you go home? You're a little intoxicated. Can I just go home, brother? I'll appear in court, bro. I don't want no problems, dog. I got 3 daughters, bro. Listen. My girl's calling me. I don't want to break no rules. I don't want to run. I don't want to do nothing, but I need to calm her down. So I'm so sorry. I don't want to listen, Steph. I'm sorry.
I'll get you.
Listen.
There's no hard feelings, Rich. I've been told you that. Listen.
I know, but I got to pull my God.
I'll get her.
Walk me over there.
We'll cool her down. I'm gonna move my car. Let's go. We're gonna move. I'm gonna move my car.
She's the only taker of my kids. I just got him fucking, dude. I just fought tooth and nail to get him back, dude.
Okay.
I just got him
What
back.
I'm gonna need you to do is
Please,
just
let
have
me
a
talk
seat.
to her, please.
Just have a seat.
Please,
Rich.
see, Steph, you see how you get in?
I'm not. Listen.
I just want to talk to her. That's my mother and my
You have an opportunity to speak to her. Okay. Just have a seat.
Please, dog. They're gonna
Right
put
now,
my kids in DCF, dude. I got
a
3
seat.
beautiful daughters, dog. They're gonna end up on Epstein Island, bro.
Take a seat.
Dog,
okay,
that's
Rich?
not right, Steph.
Rich,
That's not
take a
right,
seat,
bro.
okay?
Dude,
Just take
I'm
a seat.
begging you, please, can I talk to my girl,
You will
dog?
have a moment to
Can
speak
I-
with her, okay?
Sir.
Just have a seat.
Steph, listen.
Rich.
Listen,
Rich.
I'm trying
Rich,
to.
we're trying to be as
I'm
cool.
trying.
We've been cool. We've been cool. Just
All right,
have a
but
seat.
listen, I
I'm not trying to.
You're taking. I don't know what my. Listen.
You will have a moment. We're not going to do anything without you knowing, okay?
All right, but Steph,
Just have a seat.
Steph, can I ask you a question? Can I ask you
What's
a
up?
question?
Just have a seat.
Why is mom going?
Okay, just have a seat. We'll explain it to you. All right, Rich?
Fair,
Just
dog.
have a seat. Move your
I
feet.
got kids, dog. That's not fair, Steph. I didn't do nothing. I ran away and I got my shit punched in for free, dog. I'm a punching bag. My dad didn't teach me that. But it's okay to be a fucking punching bag. Dude, can someone talk to me, bro?
What's up?
My daughters,
What
bro. I
question
got
you
3 fucking daughters, dude.
What question do you have for me?
Bro, what's going on, bro? What's going on? If I'm getting arrested, tell me. I'm cool with that. But why is my wife getting arrested? She was watching the kids.
Like I told you, I'm gonna get the answer for you, okay? And I'll be right back with you, all right?
But you're gonna determine
I just got
my
back.
daughters go to DCF and I gotta scramble, bro. You don't know how many. There's 420,000 kids missing every fucking year, and you're just gonna let my kids? They're good, right? Dude, do you see how beautiful my 3 kids are?
They're extremely beautiful.
So you can't understand why someone will put them on a f***ing island, right? Come on, dude, I didn't do anything.
Just give me a second, all right? I'll be right back with you, all right?
Oh, that's crazy.
Both individuals were taken into custody at the scene without further incident. According to authorities, they are facing multiple charges, including child neglect and resisting arrest. The children involved were safely removed from the situation and turned over to proper care. This incident remains under investigation, and all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This footage serves as a reminder of how quickly situations involving intoxication can escalate, especially when children are involved.